I like how good design, can improve people's lives, how a space actually has the potential to make you happy. It's amazing.
A course in interior architecture and design is really good for students who love drawing and who love making. In first year, the programme starts off with learning the real fundamentals of architectural drawing, so orthographical drawings, working with 3D models, building models in the workshop. The second year is more focused on interior specific briefs. So this year we had a brief that was about exhibition design. We might do projects that are around housing or production design. The third year of the course is about an independent inquiry into a more thematic process. This year our third year students have been working with the Garrison Church in Southsea, which is a church that doesn't have a roof, and thinking about ways of repurposing it. The facilities at Portsmouth are really exceptional. We have an absolutely incredible 3D workshop with woodworking facilities, 3D printing, laser cutting, plastics workshop, a metal workshop, which is quite unusual.
So the studios are normally open layouts where you are working in islands, and the student has the possibility of really interchange and communicate with a classmate.
There's an ability for the students to be able to make models really with any materials they want. You can use the sewing room, letter pressing, screen printing, printing processes. Those are all available for students to use.
All the staff have been super friendly the whole time, and they've all been really productive in the comments that they've given about work. They're all knowledgeable in different ways, and I think that variety has really helped me develop. There's people who are more into spatial design, more into the art side of things, and they're all so helpful with everything.
The thing I love most about the course is seeing the development of students all the way from first year through to third year.
To really provide them the tools and the confidence, I think it's really about what I really enjoy here is to build with them the capacity of knowing who they are.
The placement opportunities on the interior architecture and design course are really varied. They might find themselves in a very traditional design practice, working on interior design projects. Here in Portsmouth, we're close to the cruise ship industry, and you get students who might be working for those. Other students might end up in a placement that's around visual communication and visual merchandising.
In terms of career opportunities, that is also really quite generous in options. So apart from working for a firm, I think entrepreneurship is also quite a viable direction. But also, because of the other soft skills that we offer, they can work for graphic designers, production sets, and other retail companies as well.
I think what makes Portsmouth so special for studying interior architecture and design is also to do with the breadth of knowledge from the staff.
It's much more than just wallpapers and cushions. There is a very rigorous architectural background, which will set us apart, I think.
What's interesting about interior architecture is that you are designing spaces that people engage with every single day, no matter where they are, whether it's the space they live in or where they work or where they hang out with their mates. Those spaces have all been designed, and so that's what makes the course so special.